In the UK, each household produces about 1 ton of rubbish annually, amounting to about 27 million tons each year. Throwing away things wastes resources like rare materials and energy used in making the items, and it wastes money. Moreover, disposing of waste has huge environmental impacts and can cause serious problems. For example, the decomposition process can produce methane gas. This is an explosive gas and contributes to global warming. Demand for new landfill sites results in the cleaning of large amounts of vegetation and alteration to the natural environment. This can displace thousands of species, both plants and animals, which live in the surrounding habitat. Over time, there is a significant loss of biodiversity.
Let us introduce the waste cycle, a waste management company that helps reduce the amount of waste disposal and turn some of them into useful products and energy. Our idea is to collect, classify, recycle, and reuse the trash. The process of waste management will be divided into 4 steps. First of all, the waste collection is operated under a subscription-based service. A higher service fee will be charged if the trash is not pre-classified, while a lower fee will be offered to those who assort their garbage. Secondly, the trash will be allocated to 2 categories, which are recycle and non-recycle. The recycled waste will be further classified into different kinds, such as plastic, glass, and paper. Subsequently, the recycled trash will then be sent to the corresponding factories. For instance, plastic will be transported to the plastic recycle factory and kitchen waste will be transferred to refining factory. As for the non-recycled one, it will be sent to an incinerator to be burnt for producing energy. Eventually, the generated products such as raw material or plastic will be sold to respective manufacturing companies, and the generated energy will be used to provide electricity.
Until now, you may wonder that how to gain profits throughout our project. Well, take plastic bottles as an example. They can be cracked into organic molecules and used for making new bottles. Besides, food waste can be refined. According to Macau government, the food waste has occupied 40% of the total waste, and our project definitely meets that need. Therefore, our income comes from the collecting trash service and selling the products. Also, our income will be spent on renting equipment and employing more people. And abandoned plastic bottles can suddenly turn into an artwork in this way. By advertising the main purpose of our project, many environmentalists will be interested in the products. We can post our final products onto some social media, such as Facebook and Instagram.
It is crystal clear that the greatest advantage of our plan is to keep the environment clean and fresh by recycling waste. Moreover, the plan intends to produce reusable items and sell them in order to make money. This can lead to the reduction in the consumption of resources and save the earth effectively. Furthermore, since a huge amount of labor is needed in the process, the plan also creates work opportunities in order to help the unemployed. In comparison with an American company called Waste Management, it mainly aims at making profit, but the purpose of our plan is to solve waste problems and reduce pollution so as to improve the standard of living. Through the business plan of selling reusable items, we hope that more people will join us and devote to environmental protection.
Overall, we believe that our project will certainly pay an effort on global environment protection. We provide an innovative solution to the waste disposal problem and making our home better.